Hello guys, welcome once again to this YouTube channel Corex TV, and on today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get the Monad faucet token. As we all know, last week Monad airdropped about 8 million wallet addresses. They airdropped their faucet token to those wallet addresses, and because of the nature in which they did it, it made the faucet token very scarce, yes, and expensive. So on today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to get the Monad Testnet token. Yeah, it's not difficult. So this website you are seeing currently now is the official Monad Testnet website. Yes, everything we're going to be doing, we'll be doing it through this website. So as you can see, it says test, play, and build on Monad Testnet. So if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates. And if you're a returning user, thank you for always being there for us. So as you can see, the first thing you're going to do is to try to pass this verification and then input your wallet address on that place there, so that you can get the testnet token. But then the testnet token that is being given at this website is very, very small, about 0.01 Monad token, and is not even enough to cover for gas fee for most of the transactions you're going to run on the Monad testnet. So that's why we look for other means to get you the Monad token. So stick with me as we dive deeper. So I'm trying to open my OKS browser, so that I can connect my wallet to the Monad website. Yes, because you have to connect it to a website so that you'll be able to have full functionality and claim the faucet token. But then there's a minor delay. Okay, yes, so we are in. So now let's see what we're going to do now. I would not want to connect this particular wallet because I'm using my testnet burner wallet to run this transaction. So those of you out there that are doing airdrop, it's advisable you have a separate wallet for airdrops. Yes, we call them burner wallet. It's advisable you do that. So let's see what we have here. So it's taking time, since yesterday the MetaMask and the OKS wallet have been lagging of recent. So I don't know what could be the problem, but it's from the company. Yes, a lot of persons have been complaining. But that aside, so let's see. Once we are done loading this, we'll proceed with what we have for the day. Yeah. So remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Corex TV. Okay? So let's wait while it loads. Yeah, it's not meant to take this long, but let's see. Now, like I told you, there are several conventional means via which you could get the faucet token. But then, it's always safe to acquire it from the official website. So we'll get it and we'll move on to the next step. Now, as you can see, this website I just opened, GAS.ZIP. Now, this GAS.ZIP is one of the conventional bridges that we use to bridge between cross-sectional blockchains. But what we'll be doing here now is that we'll be bridging from either base Ethereum or the mainnet Ethereum or the Arbitrum Ethereum. We'll be bridging from either of these chains to Sepolia. As you can see, you will be seeing the Ethereum Sepolia under the testnet region. You see the Ethereum Sepolia, the Monad Testnet, the BSC Testnet, Sahara AI token, OG Newton, Abstract Sepolia, and so many more Sepolias. Okay, so this is where we can actually use our mainnet coins to buy these Sepolias. But what we'll be buying today actually is the Ethereum Sepolia. So we'll be using Base because for me I used Base. We'll be using Base to buy it, and once we do that, we will now go to the Orbiter Finance, where we will now sell the Ethereum Sepolia that we bought and buy the Monad Sepolia. So you see, at the GAS.ZIP we bought Ethereum Sepolia. Now that Ethereum Sepolia we bought at GAS.ZIP, we will now enter into the testnet.orbiter.finance to now buy the Monad Sepolia. Now it's this Monad Sepolia that we are going to use to what? To buy the Monad token. But the first thing we're going to do first is to what? To buy the what? Monad Sepolia, which is the same thing as the Monad Ethereum Testnet coin. Yes. So as you can see, I just connected my wallet. Now I'm about to initiate the transaction. So currently you will notice that I have about 2.87 watts Ethereum Sepolia, and I want to buy what? 1.5 watts Monad Sepolia. And in buying that, they will give you 1.49. So this is it. You cross check your wallet address and be sure that what? It's the same wallet address, because trust me, you don't want to make any mistake here. Any mistake you make, you're going to lose your asset. It was the same thing I did while I was testing it out. I made a mistake and I lost about 4 Ethereum Monad Sepolia. Yes. So you see, so once you now you click on bridge, it takes you here for you to confirm. Now you click on it, and you wait. There will be confirmation from the wallet, and you see you are on your way to what? Buying your first what? Monad Sepolia. Now trust me, you also bridging from Sepolia to Monad Sepolia is also interacting with the what? With the Monad Testnet network. So you see, you're going to change this to what? To Monad Testnet, but we're not using this. Yes, we're done with the official Monad website. This is just me trying to show you what is going to happen here. Okay, so also telling you that we have worked on GAS.ZIP. So the first website we used was the Monad official website. Then the second website was to what? To buy the Ethereum Sepolia, which I'm showing you right now, and we just finished buying it. Now the third website is the what? The Orbiter Finance. Now it's the Orbiter Finance we'll use. As you can see, it's showing transaction confirmed. So we have successfully bought what? 1.4925 Monad Sepolia. Now when you click on bridge again, so that I will show you the amount we bought. So if you swap it up, you will see we have 1.4925 what? Monad Sepolia. So this is what we will now use to buy our what? Monad token on the monad.ambient.finance, which is a what? A swap, a pool, and also a bridge where we can buy Monad token. Now, one thing you should understand is that the token we are going to be using here is strictly the Monad Sepolia. Yes, you heard me right. But then you will be needing little gas fee, you see. So that's why it's advisable you get the Monad what? Testnet token from the official Monad website, because you will not be able to use this monad.ambient.finance without that what? Testnet token. Everything you do requires a gas fee. So let me try to disconnect this particular wallet I'm using here, because that's not the wallet I'll be using for this transaction. Now, I know you may be saying the video is long. It's better you see these errors and you see how we're able to navigate it, so that when you're doing yours, you'll be able to what? Pull it off the right way without what? Losing your funds. So I'm going to refresh this page so that I'm going to remove this current wallet that is showing there, because that's not the wallet we're working with. So when it's off, I will not be able to connect the new wallet that we'll be using for what? For the interaction. Okay, yeah, so it's loading. So good, it's showing connect wallet now. So we're going to be connecting our wallet to the what? To the monad.ambient.finance what? Website. So once it's downloading, I will initiate the connection and we are done. Okay, so we'll click on what? Connect wallet. Now, like I told you, the MetaMask wallet has been having issue. So it's even advisable you either use the OKX wallet or you use Zerion wallet. So now using this Zerion wallet, remember you must have what? Monad Sepolia in your what? That's the Monad. You switch the network. Now you must have Monad Testnet token, because that's what you use to pay for gas fee. Because what we're about doing is we're about bridging from what? Ethereum Monad Sepolia to what? To the Monad token itself. So you see, 0 Monad token, we have 0, but Ethereum token, Ethereum Monad Sepolia, we have 1.493. So this is where we'll be bridging from into the what? The Monad token. So these are the list of tokens we have here. Yes, good. So let's dive into what we have. So remember, as a newbie, it's advisable, when I mean newbie, if you're new to this website, it's advisable you go through the website and try to understand this word interface. So let me put in what maybe 1.2, or yes, let me use 1.2 and see how many it's going to give to us. So it's saying pool liquidity is insufficient for this word swap. So I don't know why it's showing that, but let's try to approve the transaction and see. Ethereum approval pending. So there's going to be a pop-up for us to approve that transaction, and we are on our way. Okay, so it's loading. You see, it's showing error, insufficient word balance. Now this is because we don't have, as you can see, all they needed was 0.0039 watt Monad token to be able to initiate this word transaction. So what you out there should do, you will have to claim the Monad Testnet token from the official Monad website, which is testnet.monad.xyz. Once you're able to get it, you can then do any swap you want to do, and the transaction will not fail. But you could also try OKS. It's the same thing. So this is me showing you that both Zerion and OKS will work if you are using them. Okay, but remember, if there is no gas fee, the transaction is going to fail. So it's loading. Let's see what we have here. It's loading. So let's refresh. It's loading. Okay, 1.2. Well, it's not popping it up right now, so we're going to be going to the next side. Yeah, connecting to OKS. Our OKS is already connected, but we'll just have to wait a while. Yes, just wait a while for it to load. Once it is done loading, you're good to go. It's not going to connect, we'll just have to wait a while. Okay, so it's loading. Let's see what we have here. Okay, let's use the pool section. Yeah, let's use the pool section. So you could either use the swap section, the limit section, or the pool section. But using pool is used, you're depositing into the pool. You understand? Yes. So you could also go and stake it as well. So approve it. You see 1.2 Ethereum Monad Ethereum Sepolia will give us 4.695 Monad tokens at the pool. So you can approve the transaction here, but it's best claim via faucet. Yeah, we don't have enough Monad fee. Yes, that's the network fee. So let me go and let me copy the address here, then go and transfer at least 0.1 Monad into this particular address here, so that we can execute the transaction. You understand? Yeah, this is the wallet we're currently using. So let's go into this wallet. Then don't connect it. Then you change the network. You will not see it here if you search for it. So we'll just change the network. But let's try it Monad. You see it's not here. So let's change the network by the top right. Remember, you either use Zerion or OKS. So you see Monad Testnet is there. So immediately we have changed the network. Now we can transfer Monad. You see we have 7.4 Monad currently. Okay, so add one. Yes, let's send one Monad. It's okay. Confirm. So you just wait a while. You see it has reflected there in our wallet that one Monad has already entered. Okay, so let's switch back to our wallet that we are working with and approve the transaction now. So if you approve the pool that you want to add to the liquidity pool, immediately it will be added. Yes. You can also remove it from the pool, and as you're removing it from the pool, you're staking your Monad tokens and also your what? Your Ethereum Sepolia. Okay. Yeah, this one is for pool. So we just approved it, so now we can now execute and run the transaction. Yes, but there's no need doing a pool, so it's better you just go to limit or swap. Limit is preferable though. Yes, either use limit or swap and you run it and you see it will be executed. Remember, what we just did is for pool, but to buy the Monad token using the Ethereum Monad Sepolia, we have to run the transaction on either the swap area or the limit area. Either of these two. That's the way we can buy Monad. So let's put it on limit 1. So 1 Monad should get us 3.92. So using limits now, we can execute this transaction. Submit limit order. So submitting the order, we will now wait. You understand? You just have to tap on anywhere so that you can approve the transaction. And once you have approved the transaction, you just have to wait a little while, so that people can buy it at that price. That is only if Monad gets to that price. So the current price Monad is currently at is 3.881 Monad per Ethereum, and the price we are buying at is 3.923. So when Monad gets to that price, our order amount will be filled, and once it's filled, our Monad will be bought. Okay, so that's how you do it, and it's the limit confirmation. So once you are able to buy your Monad this manner, you see you are good to go. So you will now be able to get as many Monad as possible. Yes, as many as possible. Remember, Monad is one of the most hyped testnet ever, and currently so many persons are not yet farming Monad. Aside this video, I will be doing another video to show you guys how to interact with the Monad Testnet ecosystem and position for their potential airdrop. Yes, position for it, because Monad airdrop is going to be massive. So once you tap anywhere, you now have to approve the transaction. Yes, so that whenever Monad gets to that price, your transaction will be executed. Yes. So let's wait for it and approve. So remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Corex TV. And if you're a returning user, this is we saying thank you for always being there for us, because without you, we will not be able to advance forward in the YouTube space. And in due time, will be one of the best crypto educating platform out there. Yes. So thank you once again for watching this video, and see you soon in the next few days, because I'll be launching the video to educate you on how to buy Monad. Thank you.